How to fix Facebook upload failed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook upload failed on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and now just go to Facebook and then go to data usage, and maybe we'll find this one like that, background data. Just enable it and then try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here, click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache and permissions, enable this one, allow storage. Maybe you'll find it here, click on it and click allow. Now just try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.